Let's say you lose your phone and it's on silent mode, or you have a loved one who likes to keep their phone on silent mode in her purse, which is the more likely scenario. How are you going to get through to that person or try to find your phone? Let's demonstrate here. Phone's on silent. Okay. So let's send a text message that triggers your phone to turn on its ringer and set it at max volume. Okay, I sent a text message. Let's try calling back.
Ghost phone.
Stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so this is a little bit outside the normal purview of this channel, but it's so useful, I kind of feel like it's something I needed to share and maybe get some channels, some likes and some subscribes. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the Shortcuts app, and to do that, you can actually just click the search button at the bottom of your home screen, and then you can type in Shortcuts, which I have pre-populated in here, and it's this little purple and red icon with the S in it. Select Shortcuts, and then you're going to just select, it might be in the library, but you're going to select Automation at the bottom. Select New Automation, and then scroll down to Message. So if you lose your phone and you have just like a stranger nearby and you want to use their phone, you can leave it on any sender. Or if you just want certain people to be able to send this message to your phone and deactivate your silent mode, you can select your sender, but I have it on any sender. All right, so if the message contains, and then you're gonna wanna set some type of thing that doesn't normally occur in a text message. So if it contains the phrase, we'll say ATAT in all caps for Applied Tradecraft and Technology, and then we'll do a $sign. And then you want to change this run after confirmation to run immediately. Then you're going to hit next. So after you hit next, the first option is to create a new shortcut. You're going to select that. And to change the silent mode, we're going to just search for silent mode. So we'll type in SILEN. Oops, it would help if I spelled right. SIL. And then set silent mode shows up. Select that. So you're going to want to change the turn silent mode on to, you want to turn silent mode off. All right. Now you want to also add a separate action. So before you hit the check mark up here, go down here. In the search box, put volume. Set volume. So when this message comes in, you want to change the media option to ringtone. And then you want to change your ringtone all the way up to 100%. Once that's done, you hit the check mark. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our phone to silent. So I have that set up, so it's my button up top. So let's try calling my phone. Okay, so couldn't make any contact. So let's send a text message. You see the running your automation showed up, and now you can hear the phone. So now let's call it.
Ghost phone.
And that's all you need to do.